Make a great choice today with
the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front wheel drive, remote trunk release, LED headlights, steel wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.